Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on the American economy. In this video, we'll be discussing the factors that influence the American economy, as well as the current state of the economy. Factors that influence the American economy. There are many factors that influence the American economy. Some of the most important factors include government policy. Government policy can have a significant impact on the economy. For example, tax cuts can stimulate economic growth, while government spending can help to create jobs. Consumer spending. Consumer spending is a major driver of the American economy. When consumers spend more money, businesses tend to do better, which can lead to economic growth. Business investment. Business investment is another important factor in the American economy. When businesses invest in new equipment and technology, it can lead to productivity gains and economic growth. Exports and imports. The trade balance can also have an impact on the economy. When the United States exports more goods and services than it imports, it can lead to economic growth. The global economy. The American economy is not isolated from the global economy. Changes in the global economy, such as wars or recessions, can have a significant impact on the American economy. Current state of the American economy. The American economy is currently in a state of flux. The economy has been growing slowly in recent years, and there are some concerns about the future. However, there are also some positive signs, such as low unemployment and strong consumer spending. Conclusion. The American economy is a complex system that is influenced by many factors. In this video, we've discussed some of the most important factors that influence the economy, as well as the current state of the economy. Thank you for watching.